Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Steam disk write error on Windows 10 or 11. So guys, to resolve this issue, click on Start, type Steam, open file location. Now right click on Steam application and click on Properties. Now in here click on Compatibility. Now check this box, run this program as an administrator. Then click on Apply. Then click on OK. Now close it and open Steam program. It will ask permissions, so click on yes. Now check this box and click on continue. So hopefully guys, using these simple and easy steps we can resolve and we can fix Steam disk write error on Windows 10 or 11 PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. Please comment in this video useful for you or not, and please share, like and subscribe my channel for more useful videos.